Hi guys, I'm Young, and today the weather is just amazing. I think God has blessed us, Mother Nature has blessed us, and Malaysia has blessed us. So today is Mavic Mini again. I'm actually charging it because I got the basic one because I couldn't get the Fly More combo. If you guys have choice, then I would actually recommend Fly More combo because it comes with 2 additional batteries, which will give you a lot more time. So today I actually want to explore the selfie function of this drone. I think there are about 4 ways which you can really maximize taking beautiful selfie. Of course, the first is using the quick shots. You paid all the money for great technology, so why not make use of them? If space allows, then do make sure you set the distance to the highest, which is 40 meters. I absolutely love circle and helix mode. Circle mode may be more fun if you set it near you. Helix mode would be better if you want to really show the wider environment.
3, 2, 1.
And it really helps if you do wear the contrasting colored clothes so that drone can follow you better. If it's slightly windy, can have a little bit of kink, but so far most of times I did not have problem. You can easily get a movie-like shot. Just act natural and interact with the environment or people around you. Rocket and drone mode, I actually like doing it more manually because you can actually get further distance. However, if you want to get rid of the remote control, then the quick shot drone and rocket modes are so useful. And also feel free to exaggerate your move because the drone will go quite far away from you, so the exaggerated move is quite fine. And the fact that Mavic Mini can fly for about 25 minutes, you can just leave it up in the air. For this shot, even though the quick shot can actually follow you, the drone thought I was the bag, so I actually swam outside the frame. And the second way is, of course, you can get a lot more creative, especially if you got more used to your RC, which I'm still getting used to because I actually feel like it wasn't as stiff as Mavic Air RC. If you get the hang of it, which wouldn't take you that long, you can really enjoy the precise shot at the height that you want and at the angle that you want. And as a little suggestion, the P mode and S mode may be a little bit too fast for you to actually get the precise control. So what I would actually suggest is to go for the cinematic mode and then do the control. Then you can sort of like look away from your Mavic Mini for a little bit and get some beautiful selfie videos that you want from a drone instead of a normal camera. The third one is very special. So you guys can fake it! Make sure you edit the drone video together with this kind of selfie shot. Maybe from GoPro because it does have super one. Oh my god! Whoa! I'm just trying to level my eyes because I don't love heights, but it does feel great. I feel like Mavic Mini. But the fourth one, and a pretty creative shot, is don't forget to use the time slot shot. It is basically the time-lapse photo function of Mavic Mini. you can set it at different duration and it will just keep on taking. Okay. I think I need some more practice. So I hope you guys actually found it pretty useful. I mean, this drone, I think it's definitely more fun when you're taking a lot of different selfies with it. But today in this beautiful blue sky, blue sea, great lighting, I'm actually really happy with the footage. So if you guys do have Mavic Mini, so you go to beautiful sunny vacation, then don't forget to take Mavic Mini and take a lot of selfies. And I'll come back with more reviews, so please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you!